Hello everyone. This is the second question we will be doing on Q. The question was asked in the IIT BHU uh, for the company Ola. Okay, so the question says we have a we have a point x1 comma y1, and we have a target point x2 comma y2, and we want to show that whether it is possible to reach from x1 comma y1 to x2 comma y2. We have to reach from x. Okay, so how can we reach? We have two options. From x comma y, we can reach to x plus y comma y, and from location x comma y, we can reach to x comma x plus y. So we have two paths. Like suppose I can show you in the next. Okay. So what we can do? Suppose I am on 1 comma 4. I can reach to 1 comma 5. I can reach to 1 comma 5 is 1 comma 4, 1 plus 4, and another point is 1 plus 4 comma 4. So there are two ways, either it can go like this and or like this. Okay, so we have only two options, so x comma y to x plus y comma y, or x comma y to x comma x plus y. So we have to tell whether it is possible or not. We will be given a main function in which the all the input will be taken care of, and we have to write the solve function where we have to return true or false whether it is possible to reach x2 comma y2. And the constraint are less, we have constraint as they are x1 comma y1 is less than or equals to thousands, so both are less than equals to thousand. So total number of points which are there in the grid is 10 to the power 6, 1000 into 1000. Okay, so what we can do is, for this we are using q. And how we are going to use, we are going to okay, I am going to write the code for this. So we are going to take a queue and a visited array. We since the see, I'm going to write the constraint here again. I hope the question is quite clear. We are given x1 comma y1, and we have to reach to x2 comma y2, and we have to tell whether it is true or false, whether it is possible to reach from x1 comma y1 to x2 comma y2. And what are the constraint is, from x1 comma y1 we can go either x1 comma x1 plus y1, or x1 comma y, from x1 comma y1 I can go to x1 plus y1 comma y1. So these are the two possibilities. So and the constant are, constraint given is x comma y is less than equals to 1000. Okay, so total number of point we will be having is, and they are greater than equals to 0, of course, right? So these are the constraint which is given to us. So suppose, okay, so these are the constraint. Now let us solve the problem. So this question is mainly of BFS, how to apply BFS on a two-dimensional array. We will be learning this. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take input x1 comma y1. This is the first point, and we have to reach to x2 comma y2. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we are going to use a queue, and in queue what we are going to keep, we are going to keep pair. What is pair representing? Pair is representing every point, um, from x1 comma y1 where I can reach. So pq is the array, and we are going to have a visited array, uh, whose dimension will be equals to 1000 comma 1000. Okay, because x1 comma y1 or x2 comma y2 are less than or equals to 1000. So we don't have any point which is having coordinate greater than 1000, so we will be keeping an array like this. So either we can declare it global, or we need to initialize it with 0, all 0. So int I comma j, I'm going to initialize all the points as not visited. And how I'm going to do is, I'm going to give the value as 0, j plus plus, and visited of I comma j is 0. It means initially I have not reached to any point. Okay, So what I can do is, the first point which I am going to keep in the queue is, I'm going to directly insert it, pq dot push, pq dot push. We have x1 comma y1, and since we can reach x1 comma y1 from x1 comma y1, I am giving x1 comma y1 as true. Okay, so I am going to run the loop till I am open, till my uh, I have some elements in the queue. Okay, so I'm going to take out every point, like x, I'm going to take out the pair first from the queue. Let us name as p, and p is equals to pq dot front, and I'm going to pop it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, first of all, okay, I'm going to get x and y, p dot first, y is equals to p dot second. Okay, and then I'm going to check if x is equal x2 or y is equal y2. Sorry, and they both need to be equal. Okay, so I'm getting this. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to print true. I can return true or false. Okay, see out true and return. I can end the loop, and if it's not there, then I need to go from x comma y to somewhere. Okay, and somewhere is, I have two paths from x comma y, I have already told. So we are going to write it, then both the points I will be writing. Okay, suppose first of all, from x comma y I want to go to x plus y comma x, sorry, y, I want to go to here. So what are the condition, I need to check whether x plus y is possible or not. And so what will be the condition? If x plus y is less than equals to 1000. Okay, this is the first condition, it should be less than equals to 1000. Also, we have visited of x plus y comma y should be equals to not visited. Okay, it should be equals to 0. So if these both conditions are true, then I'm going to keep them in the queue. So pq dot push, pq dot push is x plus y comma y. Okay, and main point, I have to mark visited of both, because these both points are in the queue now, and they have been visited once, so I need to mark them as visited. Okay, so this is the first point. Now suppose I want to go from x comma y to, I want to go to x comma x plus y. So this, I want to go from x comma y to x comma x plus y. So I need to check if I would have done here. Okay, okay, I'm going to copy this again. First condition remains true. The second condition will be equals to x comma x plus y should be equals to 0. It means the point x comma x plus y, it should not be revisited again. Okay, so we have to reach one point once. Okay, every point once we have to reach. So I'm going to push x, if these both conditions are true, then I'm going to push x comma x plus y, and I'm going to mark x comma x plus y as true. Okay, so see, what is the complexity of this algorithm? See, we have 10 ki power 6 point. If you can calculate how many points are there from 1 comma 1 to 1000 comma 1000, so there will be 10 ki power 6 points. So since every point is being visited for once only, it means the complexity of the algorithm is O of 10 ki power 6, and O of 10 ki power 6 is quite iterable in 1 second or 2 seconds. Okay, so we can easily solve this problem. And why we can solve this? Because the complexity is of 10 to the power 6. Now this code is complete, and suppose we have, if we are able to reach here, it means we have not visited that, we are not able to reach that point. Okay, it means I'm going to print false, and then end the program, return 0. So this is the code we have written. Let me repeat it again. So what we have done is we are applying BFS in two-dimensional array. So those who don't know how to apply BFS in two-dimensional array, it is same as this. So first what we do is we are going to push the initial point and we are going to mark it as visited. Visited array is an array which shows whether x comma y is whether x comma y has been visited or not. Okay, if it is 0 it means it has not been visited. If it is 1 it means we have visited it from somewhere or the other. Okay, so now what we have now what we are going, I'm going to pop out the first element from the front from the queue, and then I'm going to check whether, see, this condition you can check it here itself, but it does not matter. Okay, so we are checking here. I have taken x comma y. We are going to check whether x is equal x2 and y is equal y2. This is the target point. X2 comma y2 was the target point of us. It means we are able to reach here, then it means we need to print true, and then we have to exit. So I am returning 0. Okay, so now what we are going to have, now see, x from x comma y you can reach to x comma x plus y or x plus y comma y. So these are the 2 points we can reach. So I'm going to check first condition first, and then I'm going to check second condition first, and also make sure that you are using if on both the sides. Okay, it is not else. If else, it is not if else. Okay, we have to check for both the points if it is possible to reach both the points or not. So this is what is BFS. We have to visit every point to which we are able to visit. Okay, so I'm going to check if x plus y is less than equal to 1000. Why we are writing this? Because if x plus y is greater than 1000 it means we are going out of the grid. It's of no use. Okay, and this is the second point, where it should be not visited. It should not be visited. Okay, so then only we are going to push it in the queue, otherwise we don't have anything. So this is what we have done for the second case also. Okay, so that's it. This is the code. Thank you.